If you're anything like me, you probably have some of these lying around in your pantry, so ditch the flavor packets and use these noodles to make the best ever ramen stir fry. This recipe takes only 30 minutes. It uses up odds and ends vegetables from your fridge and whatever protein you have on hand. You whip together this delicious sauce. It's a total crowd pleaser. My kids love this one and ask for it all the time. Look how amazing that looks. What did I tell you? We have crisp, tender veggies, saucy noodles, succulent little pieces of chicken, and this is so good that everyone begs for it. It's amazing. Going in.